Minnich Manufacturing. A true pioneer and visionary in hydraulic paving vibrators, dowel pin drills, and flex shaft vibrators. With a legacy that spans over half a century, our unwavering commitment to excellence has led us to create a portfolio of revolutionary products that contractors ask for by name. At the heart of Minnich lies a relentless pursuit of perfection, exemplified by our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Our cutting-edge equipment and meticulous processes epitomize precision and quality, delivering products that exceed even the highest expectations. Our team is united by a shared purpose, a collective drive to meet and surpass the needs of our esteemed contractors. Our sales and support team, renowned for their expertise and unwavering commitment, will guide you every step of the way. We put our customers first, always. Let us redefine what is possible, together.